Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can power off the Samsung Galaxy A56 5G. And I think you have realized it already. If you're long pressing here the power button, you wake up Bixby with. But how to power off the phone? For that you need to long press next to the power button as well the volume down button. So long press these both buttons together and then you're finally at the power off menu. Just confirm a power off and again a power off and the phone will turn off. There's a second way to power off the phone. For that, just scroll down here below the battery symbol. So then you're here at the control center, and the part of the control center is here the symbol to power off the phone. Just tap here, then you're as well in the power off menu, just confirm twice and power off, and the phone will shut down. But there's a way to set up the power button or the side button, as Samsung has renamed it here, as a real power button. Let me show you how this works. So just scroll down here below the battery symbol. So then tap here on the settings symbol, and then scroll down to the point advanced features. And you will find the point side button. And here you can decide what should happen if you long press this side button. Actually, we are waking up Bixby with, but at the future we want to have the power off menu. So that means whenever you long press now the power button, you're immediately at the power off menu. Just confirm on power off and again on power off, and the phone will power off. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe at the next time. Ciao.